here in Canva, logged into my PCCS account, and I've searched Flipgrid, and a bunch of templates show up. And you'll see several of them are mobile friendly, the vertical ones, and then there's also ones that are great for Chromebooks and PCs that are horizontal. And so I've looked at a few. This one has got the hero's journey, and I can add any text or images. And this is great for students to create a video, and it's great for teachers to create instructional videos. And so you get it to your liking, and then you can just download it as either a PNG or a JPEG. So I have one over here that I've already went through and downloaded. And then you go to Flipgrid and log in. And you'll want to go to Shorts. And Shorts is just a video editing platform. And I'm going to go to Short to add a short. Then for backdrop, I'm going to add in something I've downloaded. So there's my Canva template, and it's added on. And now I'm going to bring my little video person over to the left so that my whole image can be displayed. And I'm just going to start recording. I'm going to click next. I'm going to talk about what I do to prep for the holiday. I can always add some music to the background. Flipgrid has some free music. So I'm going to choose some sentimental music. Talk about what I do to prep. And confirm my cover photo. I can add a description, and it's going to upload for me. And students could either copy this link and they could paste that in Canvas for a website URL, or I could even download this video under student view. Students could choose studio, and then they would be able to add a video, and they could just upload the video from Flipgrid that they just downloaded. And that way, teachers will be able to see them very easily in Canvas and grade them in SpeedGrader. Students would just select that file. That's the video they want to add in. They would click Embed. And submit the assignment.